General knowledge, Indian history. Introduction. What is history? The study of the past is called history. The English word history is derived from the Greek word historia, meaning research, inquiry, or investigation. Thus, the knowledge acquired by investigation is known as historia. The Greek historian Herodotus 484 BC to 425 BC was the first real historian of the world. He wrote only one book, the Histories, 430 BC. The Histories describes the background and events of the Graeco-Persian Greek-Iranian wars. First of all, the Roman philosopher Cicero, 106 BC to 43 BC, called him the father of history. The German historian Leopold von Ranke, 1795 to 1886 AD, is known as the father of modern history. According to Ranke, the task of historian was to describe the past as it actually was, wie es eigentlich gewesen, German words. What is the past actually was? English translation. The German philosopher Hegel, 1770 to 1831 AD, once said, history repeats itself. Later on, German economist and philosopher Karl Marx, 1818 to 83 AD, extended the line, history repeats itself first as tragedy, second as farce. According to British historian E. H. Carr, 1892 to 1982 AD, history is an unending dialogue between past and present. A system of dating, BC and AD. BC is the acronym of before Christ. This is an English phrase meaning before the birth of Jesus Christ. So, the years before the birth of Jesus Christ is known as before Christ and it is denoted as BC in short. Example. Gautama Buddha was born in 563 BC and died in 483 BC. Alexander the Great was born in 356 BC and died in 323 BC. AD is the acronym of Anno Domini. This is a Latin phrase meaning in the year of the Lord Jesus Christ. So, the years begin with the birth of Jesus Christ is known as Anno Domini and it is denoted as AD in short. Example, Jesus Christ was crucified in 30 AD. Kushana ruler Kanishka was ascended the throne in 78 AD. Hazrat Muhammad was born in 570 AD and died in 632 AD. Timeline. The line displaying the events of past time is called timeline. From the above mentioned timeline, it is clear that the years before the birth of Christ have counted backward. 500 BC, 5 BC, 4 BC, 3 BC, 2 BC, 1 BC. The meaning of 1 year before 1 BC is 2 BC. The meaning of 1 year before 2 BC is 3 BC. The meaning of 1 year before 3 BC is 4 BC. The meaning of 1 year before 4 BC is 5 BC. In other words, firstly the year of 5 BC passed. After that 4 BC came. After that 3 BC. After that 2 BC. And lastly 1 BC appeared. In the mathematical language, it is like backward counting. 100, 99, 98 and so on. Now, If anyone raises a question that which year is first one and which year is last one in 500 BC and 2000 BC, then right answer will be 2000 BC is first one and 500 BC is last one. It means firstly 2000 BC passed and after that 500 BC appeared. From the above mentioned timeline, it is also clear that the years after the birth of Jesus Christ have counted forward. It implies that the meaning of 1 year after 1 AD is 2 AD. 1 year after 2 AD is 3 AD. 1 year after 3 AD is 4 AD. 1 year after 4 AD is 5 AD. In the mathematical language, it is like forward counting. 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now, if anyone raises a question that which year is first one and which year is last one in 500 AD and 2000 AD, then right answer will be 500 AD is first one and 2000 AD is last one. It means firstly the year 500 AD passed and after that 2000 AD appeared. Time glossary. The glossary relating to time is known as time glossary. Some important terms associated with time are decade, the period of 10 years, first half of a century, first 50 years of a century, that is, the period from first year to 50th year, second half of a century, last 50 years of a century, that is, the period from 51st year to 100th year. Century, the period of 100 years. Millennium, the period of 1000 years. Circa, CA or C. If the exact date is not known, then the word circa is used with the date. In short, circa is denoted as CA or C. Example, C. 1500 BC to 600 BC. The Vedic culture period means that the exact date of Vedic culture period is not known, but it C. 1500 BC to 600 BC is somewhere close to that. First decade of 20th century AD means the period from 1901 AD to 1910 AD. Fifth decade of 20th century AD means the period from 1941 AD to 1950 AD. Eighth decade of 20th century AD means the period from 1971 AD to 1980 AD. Last decade of 20th century AD means the period from 1991 AD to 2000 AD. First half of 20th century AD means from 1901 AD to 1950 AD. Second half of 20th century AD means from 1951 AD to 2000 AD. 6th century BC means 600 BC to 501 BC. 4th century BC means 400 BC to 301 BC. 16th century AD means 1501 AD to 1600 AD. 20th century AD means 1901 AD to 2000 AD. Second millennium BC, 2000 BC to 1001 BC. First millennium BC, 1000 BC to 1 BC. First millennium AD, 1 AD to 1000 AD. Second millennium AD, 1001 AD to 2000 AD. Important eras. Kali, 3101 BC, began 20 years after the end of Mahabharata war. Saptarshi or Laukika, 3076 BC, started after the expiry of 25 Kali year. Vikrama or Krita, 58 or 57 BC, commenced by Vikramaditya, the local king of Ujjaini, Malava, to commemorate the victory over the Sakas. Saka 78 AD, commenced by Kushan ruler Kanishka on the occasion of his ascendance to the throne. Saka era is known as Salivahana Sakhapta in South India. The government of India adopted Saka era along with the Gregorian calendar, that is, Julian calendar or Christian calendar, as national calendar on 22nd March 1957. 1st Chaitra 1879 Saka. Kalchuri 248 AD. Founded by Abir King Ishwar Sen, later on used by Trikutaka ruler and Kalchuris of Chedi. Gupta 319 to 20 AD. Founded by Gupta ruler Chandragupta I on the occasion of his ascendance to the throne. After the fall of the Guptas, the Maitrakas of Vallabhi used this era with a new name, Vallabhi Samvata. The beginning of Gupta era was fixed by J. F. Fleet in 1887 AD. Harsha 606 AD, founded by Harshavardhana of Kanuj to pronounce his ascendance to the throne. Hijri 622 AD, founded by Umar, the second Caliphate of Khilafat Empire, to commemorate the Hijrat from Makkah to Medina by Hazrat Muhammad. Kollam Nivari or Nepali 825 AD. Kollam 825 AD, an era that is in use in Malabar, Kerala. Nivari or Nepali 879 AD, founded by Jaidio Mal. Chalukya Vikrama 1076 AD, founded by Vikramaditya VI, the Chalukya ruler of Kalyani on the occasion of his ascendance to the throne. Lakshmana 1119 AD, founded by Sen ruler of Bengal, Lakshmana Sen. Lahi 1556 AD, founded by Mughal ruler Akbar in 1584 AD, but in 1658 AD, Aurangzeb abolished the use of Ilahi era. Rajsaka 1673 AD, founded by Maratha Chhatrapati Shivaji to pronounce his ascendance to the throne. Note: development sequence of Gregorian calendar. Julian calendar, introduced in 46 BC by Roman king Julius Caesar. Then Christian calendar, introduced in 527 AD by monk Dionysius Exiguus. Then Gregorian calendar, introduced in 1582 AD by Roman Pope Gregory XIII. Gregorian calendar is modified from form of Christian calendar, and Christian calendar is modified form of Julian calendar. It means these calendars are loosely synonyms to one another. Second, the eras except Vikrama, Saka and Hijri era are either vanished in course of time or still in use in specific regions. National calendar. Saka Samvata is used in some government sectors customarily, that is officially, whereas Gregorian calendar is used everywhere practically. Conversion of eras. With the help of above mentioned table, any era can be converted into other era. Conversion of AD of Christian era in Vikrama era. For conversion of AD era in Vikrama era, 57 is added to AD. Example, convert 2013 AD into Vikrama era. AD 2013 plus 57 equal to Vikrama 2070. Conversion of Vikrama era into AD era. To find AD era from Vikrama era, 57 is subtracted from Vikrama era. Example, convert 2070 Vikrama era into AD era. Vikrama 2070 minus 57 equal to AD 2013. Conversion of AD era into Saka era. To get Saka era from AD era, 78 is subtracted from AD. Example, convert 2013 AD into Saka era. AD 2013 minus 78 equal to Saka 1935. Conversion of Saka era into AD era. To find equivalent AD era from Saka era, 78 is added to Saka era. Example, convert 1935 Saka era into AD era. Saka 1935 plus 78 equal to AD 2013. Conversion of AD of Christian era into Hijri era. To calculate Hijri era from AD of Christian era, the following formula C minus 622 into 33 by 32 equal to Hijri era is used. Example, convert 2013 AD of Christian era into Hijri era. 2013 minus 622 into 33 by 32 equal to 1434H. Conversion of Hijri era into AD of Christian era. To calculate AD of Christian era from Hijri era, the following formula H into 32 by 33 plus 62 equal to Christian era is used. Example, convert 1434 Hijri era into AD of Christian era. 1434 into 32 by 33 plus 62 equal to 2013 Christian era. Period. Bipartite division. History is generally divided into two periods, prehistoric and historic. The period that have no written evidences is called prehistoric period, and the period that have written evidences is known as historic period. In other words, the period before the beginning of writing is called prehistoric period, and the period after the beginning of writing is known as historic period. The time period of prehistoric period is accepted as 30 lakhs BC to 600 BC, and the time period of historic period as 600 BC to till date. Tripartite division. Tripartite division of history is more prevalent in practice. According to this, history is divided into three periods: prehistoric, protohistoric, and historic. Prehistoric period, 30 lakhs BC to 2500 BC, the period for which no written evidence is available. Example, lithic, stone period. Protohistoric period, 2500 BC to 600 BC, the period for which written evidence is available, but either the script used in the documents has not been deciphered or the written documents have not been confirmed with archaeological evidences. Example, Indus civilization and Vedic culture. In the case of Indus civilization, we have not yet been able to decipher the script, and in the case of Vedic culture, we have not sufficient archaeological evidences to confirm written evidences for that period. Historic period, 600 BC to till date, the period for which written evidences is available. Example, Mahajanapada period to till date. Chronology. German historian Christoph Cellarius 1638 to 1707 AD was the first historian who gave us tripartite division of history. He divided history into three periods: ancient, medieval, and modern history. After him, the tripartite division became standard model for history writing or reading. For the convenience to the study, Indian history is divided into three periods. Ancient India, the beginning 647 AD, that is from lithic stone period to death of Harsha. Medieval period 647 to 1757, that is from death of Harsha to the battle of Plassey. Modern India 1757 to till date, from the battle of Plassey to till date. Ancient India, the beginning 647 AD. Prehistoric period 13 lakhs BC to 600 BC, Indus civilization 2500 BC to 1750 BC. Vedic culture 1500 BC to 600 BC. Mahajanapada period 600 BC to 322 BC. Maurya period 322 BC to 185 BC. Post-Maurya or pre-Gupta period 185 BC to 319 AD. Gupta period 319 AD to 550 AD. Post-Gupta or Vardhana dynasty 550 AD to 647 AD. Note: on the basis of tools, prehistoric period is divided into three sub-periods: lithic stone period, copper period and iron period. Medieval period 647 to 1757. Early medieval period 647 to 1206. Sultanate period 1206 to 1526. Mughal period 1526 to 1707. Modern period 1757 to till date. Stages of British colonialism. First phase. The phase mercantile 1757 to 1813. Monopoly of trade and direct appropriation of revenue. Modern India. Stages of British colonialism. Second phase. The industrial phase 1813 to 1858. Period of laissez-faire, that is free trade. Third phase, the financial phase 1860 to 1947. Finance imperialism. Period of British capital investment in India. British policy towards native states of India. Ring fence policy. Ring fence policy 1757 to 1813. Subordinate isolation policy 1813 to 1858. Subordinate union policy 1858 to 1935. Equal federation policy 1935 to 1947. National movement. First phase of Congress 1885 to 1905. Moderate phase. Second phases of Congress 1905 to 1917. Extremist phase. Third phases of Congress 1917 to 1947. Gandhian era.